Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda CRV cabin air filter. First, open your glove box completely. You'll need to remove any items inside to give yourself clear access. Next, locate the two stopper tabs on the sides of the glove box. These tabs prevent the glove box from swinging down too far. You'll gently push them inward to release the glove box from its hinges. This simple step makes the filter housing accessible. Once the glove box is lowered, you'll see a rectangular plastic cover directly behind it. This is the housing for your cabin air filter. There are usually two clips, one on each side, holding this cover in place. Carefully unclip these fasteners. You might need to apply a little pressure, but they should release easily. With the clips undone, pull the cover straight off to reveal the old filter. Before removing the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow indicates the direction air flows through the filter. It's crucial to install the new filter with the arrow pointing in the same direction. Gently slide the old filter out. It might be dusty, so have a rag ready. Then, slide the new filter into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly and the arrow is correct. Now, replace the filter housing cover, making sure the clips snap firmly into place. Then, lift the glove box back into its original position. You'll need to gently push the stopper tabs back through their openings to secure the glove box. Give it a quick open and close to ensure everything is properly seated. You've successfully changed your cabin air filter. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great car air fresheners and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.